Today we will be taking a look at Instant Video Ranker. Instant Video Ranker will help you to rank your videos at the top of YouTube in under 15 minutes. Instant Video Ranker is the ultimate solution for internet and affiliate marketers, video creators, and agency owners to start driving more and more buyer traffic to their offer pages to generate sales on complete autopilot. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started.
Now let's take a quick look inside the software and see it in action. So this is the software that you get as part of Instant Video Ranker. You can see that all you need to do is type in your keyword and type in your website, and then by clicking the button, the keyword tool actually finds you low competition, high volume keywords, which you can then add into your videos and go after, so you can rank for multiple keywords at once. So you see here in this example where once you've added 3 extra good keywords, you can then generate your copy, at which point you've got a range of clicky titles that you can select from. You can also choose your description depending on the niche that you're in. So if it's your own business and you want to promote that, you obviously choose that and such like. And also the tags are already generated for you, and these are all these bits are all optimized so that your video will rank.
Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos.
We're going to see if we can use Instant Video Ranker to rank a video above these video ranking experts. So here you see various video SEO experts all got their videos up there, all ranking for this search term. Video ranking expert, video SEO, such like. So let's start the clock. Let's see if we can do it within 2 minutes. So first off, we go to Instant Video Ranker content engine. We generate our content. Okay, so we've got our content now. Then we go to our channel and we create our video. So we're going to upload our video. So if I drag my video across, that's going to start uploading. Yeah. And then back to Instant Video Ranker. Let's copy the description, paste that in, next, go to public, publish, okay, so it's uploading, so obviously hopefully the video will upload in time as well. Back in here, let's grab the tags. Down here, paste those tags in, upload the thumbnail, see if I can drag my thumbnail in. The thumbnail's there, playlist, video ranking expert, create, done. Just check these, recording date, yesterday, location UK, They're all fine. Save those elements. Let's throw on an end screen. Done that. Let's throw a card in. Okay. So that video is now live. Let's just stay quiet. Thank you very much. Okay, so now that we're here, thumbs up. Outcome. Video ranking expert, video and software package. Check it out. I'm just sharing it to Facebook at the moment. Post that to Facebook. Okay, so done the shares. What we now need to do is see if it's ranked. So back here, video ranking expert. Let's just refresh. And there it is, straight in at #1. Okay, it took me 3 minutes, not 2 minutes, but there you go. That's our video right there, straight in at #1, and you just saw that happen live on screen. And it's jumped in ahead of all those other ones that were there. So there you go. Instant Video Ranker works.
Thank you for watching this Instant Video Ranker review video. To find out more about Instant Video Ranker, click the link in the description below.